Meet Aziz, Shannon, Nadine, and myself, Lauren. In the beginning of 2019, we were divemaster trainees together at Blue Marlin Gilly-Trongone Dive Center.
Woo! Divemaster! Divemaster!
Now meet the instructors.
How ready are you to get really drunk?
These are the people who taught and guided us through our course. The superheroes of diving knowledge and mentors in life. Except him. He's new. Together, with the help of the entire Blue Marlin family, we had finally come to the day. March 11th. The day we drop the T and become dive masters.
Good luck.
But there were still a few things left to do. Equipment exchange. A test of your ability to handle stress. Simple enough to start. You and your buddy must exchange all equipment with each other while maintaining contact and sharing one regulator. Then you have to do it again. This time, while your instructors mess with you. It's the Kobayashi Maru of your Dive Master course. You can't win. You can only try to keep your head as long as possible and not panic. I can't say that it's fun, but people love to watch. Done, we had time to kill before our graduation ceremony. So of course we went diving. There is an energy and excitement to the whole day. An anticipation for what's to come. It's a day of remembering, revelry, and a hint of dread for the final task, the Snorkel Test.
It's like 1 bing tank, 2 bing tank, 3 bing tank, drink.
Speaking of balloons, we have to go upstairs.
The Snorkel Test is a 3-part event. Part 1, get dressed up. The instructors can dress you as anything, but they have to make the costume. Part 2, the games. A final test of your skills at both drinking and diving.
Man!
How old is your manager fee? What time are you supposed to be in the morning? word for ladyboy? Who is your favourite instructor?
Suey. Mom.
Lauren's your favourite instructor?
Mom.
Sis?
Eliza.
And finally, the snorkel test itself.
Get down to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
And that's it. We had put in the hours, passed the tests, and completed every task. We had gone from fun diving to diving professionals, a journey that should never be taken lightly. But we had done it. We are dive masters.
Somebody.